distinction that is in the very beginning of the course. And it's talking about line. Line can mean many things. It can be an implied line. It can be a contour line. It can be a suggestive line. But the thing that's important is that right here, lines are not edges. In the art terms of this course, line is synonymous with the edge, is not synonymous with the edge of a three-dimensional form. So this bit right here, this is not a line. This is an edge. This is the edge of the shape. This here, this light area, that is the edge of the shape. The dark area is the edge of this shape, and the light area is the edge of that shape. However, if we click on one of these, we will go to another page, hopefully, that will have, come on guys, let's go. There we go. Got the spinning going on up there. See, here we go. So here you have edge of the black, edge of the black, edge of the white, which is the cut shape of the paper. But these guys are lines. All of this in here make up lines, and actually because of the type of print this is, Rembrandt used continuously used lines. He did these up here are lines that are overlapped. So it starts to look like it's something that's thicker, but they're all made of individual lines. And so when you talk about this area right here, they're made up of a number of lines, but this too is an edge of the form. This one is made up of lines, edge of the form, edge of the form. These guys are all lines. These are distinguishable lines. These are distinguishable lines. This area in here, it's not so easy to see, but if you look, if you really put some time in and look, you will see that these are all lines as well. Build up of cross-hatching to make the lines. So let's pay attention to the distinction that this, even though it's nice and straight and it is the border of something, this here, this, if you're going to describe what this is an edge, not a line. Okay, that should do it. Let's see if we can get back to the original page without taking too much spinning. And, well, and here we go. So, very first important distinction that a lot of people have a hard time getting straight is the difference between the line and edge. And if you can't remember, come back to this first page. It's right here. Lines are not edges. Okay, let's turn this off.